Watch this, 50,000 gems and 400,000 coins flooding into my account instantly. This hack is insane. Yeah, alright guys, let's jump straight into the details. First step, we'll hit the settings starting with Android users first, then iPhone. Let's go. Let's find the apps section and jump right into it, everyone. And here it is. Now let's open it and search for DLS. Follow these steps carefully guys, this part is super important. Great, now let's tap on DLS, then enter the battery section as you can clearly see here. Keep following closely. Now head into the battery section and switch this option to unrestricted. Double check it, this step is absolutely critical. Now let's head over to your browser. I recommend using Chrome for the best experience. Alright friends, open Chrome's settings and tap on privacy and security. Next, tap the do not track option and switch it off, my friends. This step's vital. And now guys, let's jump straight onto this website. Right here, right now. Here's the interface everyone. Now tap on v2-DLS and stay locked in for the next steps. Alright everyone, jump back into DLS 25, tap settings greater than advanced greater than system info, copy your user ID and paste it into the website field. Stay locked in. Alright my friends, this is the final and easiest step. All you have to do now is complete the human verification task so the site knows you're real, not a bot. There's a lot of traffic and abuse lately, so this step is required to protect the servers. The site gives you two methods for verification. Pick either one or try both if needed. Tasks are super easy. Download an app and open it, register and confirm an account, or complete a short survey. Back in the day, this worked without any verification and I got millions of resources. But with the update, this step is necessary now. Just follow it through like I did and you're golden. Let's go, blast off!